Hi guys, I'm Tyler and you're watching the TJS Bass channel. Today I am giving you my tone demo of the Ampeg Classic Analog Bass Preamp pedal. For the video I'm using my Sadowski UV70 jazz bass in passive mode, so it's just going to act like a normal jazz bass. Pick up slightly rolled to the front, but not much, just off the centre. I want you to let me know in the comments below what you think is the best setting out of the settings that I used during this review. This video is a tone only demo. If you want to check out my opinions on the pedal, you can find those over on the accompanying review on my channel. Let's get straight into the demo. If you like what I do, please hit the like button, and if you want to see my latest content, hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell.